In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use TradingView for chart analysis and seamlessly execute trades on Zerodha's Kite platform. Let's get started with the first essential step, which is accessing TradingView. You'll want to open tradingview.com or use the TradingView app if you prefer a mobile setup. TradingView is known for its advanced charting tools and indicators, making it an excellent choice for technical analysis. Here, you can immerse yourself in a variety of features such as creating watch lists, applying indicators, drawing trend lines, and setting alerts. This platform is exquisitely designed to offer a comprehensive suite of tools that caters to both beginner and seasoned traders who are keen on understanding the market through charts. Once you are familiar with the tools, it's time to note down key levels and signals. On the TradingView charts, you'll need to identify critical entry and exit points, as well as stop loss and target levels. This is pivotal for your trading plan. You can use the drawing tools provided on TradingView to mark these levels clearly, or even save your chart layouts for future reference. This feature ensures that you have a consistent plan and can easily track market movements relative to the key levels you've established. Now, let's move on to placing trades on Zerodha's Kite platform, which is where the actual trading takes place. First, log into your Zerodha Kite account either via the web or through the app. Kite offers a user-friendly interface with robust functionalities perfect for executing your trades. Once logged in, you'll want to use the insights and levels you've noted from TradingView to manually place your orders. Zerodha Kite supports various order types such as market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders, and bracket orders. These options allow you to efficiently manage your trades and risk exposure, ensuring you maintain control over your trading activity. While TradingView is ideal for in-depth chart analysis, it's worth mentioning that Zerodha's Kite also has its own charting tools. Although not as comprehensive as TradingView, Zerodha's charting tools are decent for quick checks if you're looking for a more streamlined approach where everything is housed within one platform. You can add indicators, draw on kite charts, and make quick assessments of current market conditions. In conclusion, using TradingView alongside Zerodha's Kite platform offers a powerful combination for conducting thorough chart analyses and efficiently placing trades. By leveraging TradingView's advanced tools and Zerodha's seamless trading interface, you can elevate your trading strategy to new heights. Now, it's your turn to explore these platforms and start making more informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!